Bhubaneswar Kshetra is known as, celebrated as Lord Shiva's Kshetra, known as Ekamra Kanan. Lord Shiva is a great Vaishnava, Vaishnava Sambhav. And Lord Shiva is very much pleased with the devotee, Vaishnava, devotee of Krishna and Vishnu. He has said that in Bhagavatamrita, Panchabhautika Deha, Murtyu Nivasino, Bhagavato, Bhaktirasika, Namasya Matru Samsara. Lord Shiva says this point. So, live here, live here in this material world, the human being having this Panchabhautika Deha, the material body, elements, Chitta, Feel, Madhurya, but to develop bhakti, unalloyed devotion towards the Lord, whole bhakti rasika. I go down at their lotus feet. I respect them very much, very dear. If you go enter into Lord Jagannath's temple, you'll find in the just men entrance, in both sides standing Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, with folded hands and welcoming the devotees to come and see Lord Jagannath. Welcome. And this Sri Kshetra or Purushottam Dham, it looks like a conch shell known as Sankha Kshetra. And in the middle of that Kshetra, Sankha Kshetra, Lord Jagannath's temple is there. And beginning of that Kshetra is Bhubaneswar, Ekamra Kshetra. Ekamra Kanan, Lord Shiva's place. And Lord Shiva is known as Kshetrapal, who guards the Kshetra and welcomes devotees. So the devotees, they are welcome. Please enter into this Kshetra and have a darshan of Lord Jagannath. So, Sriman Mahaprabhu went to that Jagannath Dham. Before entering into Jagannath Puri temple, he went to Bhubaneswar. He went to Lingaraj, famous Lingaraj temple. Shiva temple is there in Bhubaneswar. And he visited. He had a darshan of Lord Shiva, Lingaraj there. He chanted, danced, and took bath in the Sarovar there. So that is also a Kshetra and also a Tirtha, place of pilgrimage, famous. And still Prabhupada, my revered Guru Maharaj, is very dear devotee of Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sri Radha Madhav, Jagannath. But who was spreading Krishna consciousness throughout the world, was fulfilled the desire of Sriman Mahaprabhu. Prithivita Achijata Nagaradi Gram Sarvatra Prasad Piva Moranam. He has done it, so dear. But anyhow, he was not going to that Odisha. He had developed some sort of, I say, Abhima. I don't know what to say in English. Anyhow, but Lord Shiva was so dear to the devotees, the Vaishnavas, repeatedly requesting the dear devotee of Sriman Mahaprabhu and Jagannath, please come here, please come here. So at last, he accepted his request and went to Orissa, Purushottam Dham, Kshetra in 1977. And he stayed there in Bhubaneswar for 17 days, and he waited for that auspicious day to come. That is the appearance day of Lord Nityananda. So that day, he let down the cornerstone of Krishna Balaram Mandir there in Bhubaneswar. And recently, we opened that temple on the same day, that is on the auspicious occasion of the appearance day of Lord Nityananda. And opening was very nice. Many Vaishnavas went there, and many people, lots and lots of people came there, and all were very happy. We had invited the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Ravi Rai, Sri Ravi Rai, and many ministers of the state cabinet. They all came. They spoke very highly of Srila Prabhupada, Eastern movement, and of the preaching Sankirtan movement going on throughout the world. Up till now, we have spent 37 lakhs of rupees in that project, and it's only 50% completed, and rest 50% remaining incomplete. Same amount of money is still required. So I beg mercy of Sri Sri Guru and Gauranga Vaishnavas that if they will be merciful, the Srila Prabhupada's last 100 project will be complete. Another thing, just I say, and we have a printing press, Guru Gauranga Press there. We are printing all the Prabhupada's books in Oriya language, and most of the books have been already printed, published, and we have a Sankirtan, traveling Sankirtan party. They are distributing the books, and these books are very popular in Orissa. And in Orissa, this Srimad Bhagavata written by Atibadi Jagannath Das in Oriya language is very popular. And most of the people of Orissa have not known the original Bhagavata. Nobody has translated that thing in Oriya. When we are publishing Srila Prabhupada's Bhagavata, translating it in Oriya, now it's very popular. The people of Orissa now coming to know what the real Bhagavatam is. And they're always inquiring, but the next volume will be publishing, we'll get it. This is such popular. And one thing I'll just tell you, that this the Srila Prabhupada had said that there will be 3 altars. Main altar is Krishna Balaram, altar of Krishna Balaram. The temple is known as Krishna Balaram temple. And this side will be Gaur Nitai, and this side will be Jagannath, Baladev, and Subhadra. So we have made the city made this brass and machinery. We follow instruction, wedding instruction, make brass digit, I brass digit, Gaur Nitai, Jagannath, Baladev, and Subhadra. That night was now many people coming the temple. One thing that the Prabhupada passed today, and he had one guy, and that he Let's down after we say about the government and we open the temple to pray the access to the temple. Because the Vrindavan of Thakur, such a very last pray. So now, and that's of course that our goal is to approach rather than to make our life successful. Cannot decide never rather than to fight them. Without the must be done, cannot. So, that must be again that Bhubaneswar temple is this Lord Nityananda. When Lord Nityananda Ram, Nityananda